doing today? My name's Eric. As always, I want to thank you for taking a minute and checking out my video today. On this episode of Smo'King, I'm going to show you how to make pepper bacon smash burgers on the Blackstone Griddle. Now this is going to be absolutely delicious. If you've never had a smash burger and you have a griddle, you better try this recipe. I got a pound of peppered bacon. I got around 1.5 pounds of ground beef. I got a stick of butter. I got some sharp cheddar cheese slices. And I got this Lodge press. It's got a little bit of weight to it to smash the burgers down. When you smash it down, it gives it that nice crust, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. So stick around. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. Let's get cooking. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is to make little patties. We're going to make them kind of like meatballs, and we want them around 3 to 4 ounces a piece. So I have around 1.5 pounds of ground beef. So the best way to do this is just, take 1.5 pounds of ground beef and kind of just try to break it right in half equally. Let's see, a little bit more in there. I think that's about right, give or take. And then we're going to break them in half again. Okay. They don't have to be exact, obviously. You just kind of want to eyeball it. You do want them kind of consistent. And then from there, you're going to make them in half again. And then you're going to roll it into a little ball. It's kind of about that size. Okay? So I'm making a total of 8 here out of 1.5 pounds. And this is 80-20. I think that's the best blend. I mean, you can go 85-15 if you want, but you do want a little bit of fat content in your burger. Otherwise, it's going to dry out. So there you go. Not very complicated. And like I said, they don't have to be perfect. Just try to get them somewhat consistent in size to the rest of them. Okay. There we go. So 8 burgers right there. I'll meet you guys outside. We'll get that Blackstone fired up. Alright guys, before I get started, I need a cold beverage while I'm cooking on my Blackstone. This is a name that I really have no idea how to pronounce it. Zywig. It's a company out of Poland, 5.6% alcohol. I guess it's been around since 1856. And it says it's only brewed with 3 ingredients, which I guess is malted barley, hops, and pure mountain spring water. So that's what I'm going to try. And here's my beautiful new Blackstone, with, of course, the handy-dandy bottle opener, which comes in very handy. All right. So let's see how this looks like. 5.6% alcohol. I'm imagining it's probably on the light end, like a Pilsner. It looks very nice. Whoops. So guys, I just picked this up around a month ago. This is going to be my 3rd time cooking on it. I did breakfast on it, which was absolutely amazing, and then I did some chicken fried rice. It was a copycat Benihana chicken fried rice recipe that really came out way better than I expected. My whole family, they all say it's way better than Benihana, and I would have to agree. I'll leave links below to those 2 videos if you want to check them out. But I've never done burgers, and I've always been excited to try the smash burger, so today's the day. Alright. Just smells like a regular beer. As always, guys, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Cheers. Okay. It tastes like a good beer. There's nothing spectacular here. Don't taste any fruit, any kind of hidden flavors. It just tastes like a good lager, a good Pilsner beer. I'm certainly going to enjoy this. So the first thing I'm going to do, you kind of want to get all your ingredients kind of ready to go because these burgers aren't going to take long. So the first thing I'm going to do is cook the bacon. I'm going to move it over to this side, which I'm going to keep off just to keep it in the staging area. We're going to butter our hamburger buns, and we're going to kind of let those kind of get nice and brown and ready, and then we'll cook our burgers. And the burgers should only take maybe 3-4 minutes tops because we're going to push them down, smash them, get a little crust on them, flip them, put the cheese on it. It shouldn't take very long at all. So I'm going to go grab the ingredients. While I continue to drink this beer, I'll meet you guys back in a second. Cheers. Alright guys, so I got this like on medium-low heat, and then these two here just low, just to kind of heat up the whole griddle surface area. The first thing I'm going to do is the peppered bacon, like I mentioned. So I'm just going to lay that down here. I'm not going to put any kind of oil or anything, because I think once this starts cooking, the fat from the bacon will give us some nice oil. Alright guys, I just already flipped them once, but just keep an eye on them. Smelling wonderful. Nothing like the smell of bacon being fried up. Okay. And just be careful. These here are almost done, so we're going to move them over to the cool side of the griddle. Once the other side's cooked here, we're just about there. The ones in the center here of the grill, this seems to be definitely the hot spot, so pay attention. Alright guys, when they get done like this, just move them over to the far end of the grill. Like I said, I have the far zone over here turned completely off. And like take the pieces that aren't done and put it directly in the middle. That's kind of like the hot zone. Yeah, this is just about done. Once I got all this bacon moved over, I'm going to use the grease to kind of coat all the griddle, like this area right here, and I'm going to turn these two burners up on medium-high. We want to get it nice and hot when we make these burgers. Yeah, these are all done. Alright guys, bacon is all done. I got a whole bunch of bacon fat here. I'm just going to use my spatulas here to kind of evenly coat this. This is good for seasoning. I'm going to take the little bacon fragments and put them down the grease drain there. But use all that bacon fat to kind of coat your griddle. It's like giving it a season on top of a season when you do this. Alright guys, so like I said, you can see it's smoking here because this is on medium-high and this is still on low. So I've taken my buns and I've already buttered them, and just keep an eye on them. You don't want them to burn. We're just going to put them flat down on the low heat side just for a little bit to get them nice and toasty. And we want to do that now because these burgers are going to be ready relatively quickly, so we just want to be prepared. Just like so. We'll be back in a second. Alright guys, let's see how these are doing. Oh yeah, look at that, perfect. Okay. You know, you can toast them how you like them. Yeah, that one's a little bit more crispy, but you get the idea. Alright, let me get these off, and then we'll get busy with these burgers. Alright guys, the grill is nice and hot. Gotta throw some of these down here. Alright. Got some parchment paper here. Start with this one right here. You want to hold it down tight for around 10 seconds. There we go. put a little salt. A little black pepper. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah, look at that sear. All right. Put some cheese on there. All right. All right. These are done. There you go, guys. Look at that. All right, let me cook the rest of these. Be back in a second. All right. All right. Look at those, man. Oh, yeah. Alright, guys, here we are. Look at these burgers. They look delicious. Ooh, we got that peppered bacon, got some lettuce, red onion, tomato. I'm going to get one ready to go, and we'll all be out here to try this in just a second. Alright guys, here I got it plated up. I just wanted you to see this. Man, that bacon, this burger. Got some tomatoes, red onion. I made this potato salad all in the Instant Pot. I'll leave a link below to the video. Having a blue moon. Oh man. Alright, get the family out. We'll try this in just a second. Hey everyone, I'm back here with my family. My wife Monica, my son Kyle.
Hey guys. Hello.
I chopped this up, and I also put some Instapot potato salad on there that I made another video for. I'll leave a link below, but
so good.
check it out.
It's
okay.
so good.
All right, guys.
Okay.
Let's give this a shot.
Oh wow, you already went to town here. Okay. Let's give it a try.
Wow.
Very good.
That bacon is good. What do you think, Al?
Good. That's what you just figure out the In-N-Out sauce recipe. Hey, you should do an In-N-Out burger knockoff. This is good. Whoa, you're mowing it.
Man, you know what? I've done the stuffed burgers, sous vide, you throw them on the barbecue grill. It's all good, but this is another method, and I have to admit, these are really good. And they're pretty easy, too.
They're lots of flavor. They're tender, they're juicy. Really good. Really good.
What do you think, Al?
Good. If our 12-year-old son likes it, that's a good sign.
The boy of many
Mr.
words.
Piggy.
That's all right. Hey guys, again, I appreciate you watching my video. If you like it, please hit the like button. I would love it if you would consider subscribing. And I'll leave a link above to my website, ericsmokingbbq.com. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Man, I'm hungry.
So good.
Many words.
And this potato salad was really good.
Yeah, I'll try it the next day. I really like the yesterday.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Boy, banana boy.
That burger is good.
Mom, have my ice cream dessert?
What do you think, Al?
Good.
The last video we did, the one before yesterday,
Really good, Eric.
was the one of after the tasting video night. I was like, hey, Mom,
It's nice that you did a side dish.